Hey everyone, today I wanted to share with you my Niagara-on-the-Lake birthday weekend celebration. We got in on Friday night, just dropped our stuff and went out for dinner. We headed out to the main strip and just picked up some pub food. To be honest, it wasn't that great, so next time I'd recommend going to the golf club. It apparently has great dinner.
A very casual get up today of my birthday outfit. Got our workout wear on. Ready to go.
We stayed at a gorgeous bed and breakfast called In Elegance, and Donna was an incredible host. Her breakfast was to die for. We had yogurt parfait the first day with this delicious quiche. She also uses a lot of local ingredients. Arrived at our first spot, which is Conzelman Winery. This building is so pretty. Everything here is so well kept. We biked just about 20 minutes from our bed and breakfast. Now we are going to do a tasting and tour. At Conzelman, I have the rosé, peach wine, and Baco Noir semi-dry. Love, love, love this rosé. And then we have the peach wine, which is really good. And the Baco Noir, which is apparently very good for sangria. It gives me like Christmassy fall vibes. Beautiful. Delicious. It was a very hot and sunny August day, so this little fan that plugs into my phone from Compass Dermatology seriously saved the day. We are now at Hinterbrook Winery. I love their minimalist branding, and you can actually get bottles with very plain labels and then color on it and design it yourself.
Sparkling wine.
Thank you. Time for some sparkling wine.
No, I'm
Exactly what I need. On a tour at Pelletieri Winery. So nice. Let's head inside.
So the juice on the outside, which will eat all those sugars to create alcohol. Now when it creates the alcohol, it also creates a lot of carbon dioxide inside the tank, which will build up a lot of pressure. The winemaker is going to program those tanks via the computer to release the pressure once or twice a week. It's going to be over a 1 month to 2 month period. When it releases the pressure, the wine will then circulate through both tanks, getting all those tannins off the right grapes.
This is a certified sustainable winemaker at Pelletieri.
We'll re-toast it 2 or 3 times while it's here. Now, we have about 10% American oak and 90% French oak. The American oak is better first.
This is Mr. Pelletieri himself, building his house. Hi!
And you're gonna do na 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 na.
Perfect.
Na 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 na. They say it's your birthday. Na 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 na. It's my birthday too, yeah. Woo! Na 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 na. We're gonna have a good time. Woo! Na 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 na. I'm glad it's your birthday. Na 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 na. Happy birthday to ya. Hey!
Thank you! We're trying the Queen's favorite ice wine, no less with my tiara on. Kate would be jealous. Hi, there's my friends. Everybody, whole gang's here. Okay, let's go.
Best tour guide.
Best tour guide.
Oh, I get the whole tongue thing.
Wait, how does the tongue work?
I get it to the back of your tongue, so just if you stick your tongue toward the back.
Oh, that is lychee.
It actually makes a difference when you let it get to the back.
Hundo P lychee.
The back definitely.
Good.
Whoa.
Cheers! Woo!
We'll still go there.
Check it out.
We haven't tried.
Pork ribs,
Just seen them in like commercials.
buttermilk sandwich.
It has a signature on it.
Yeah, they paid
No,
a lot
it's
of money.
Oh, you have
So you must approve of
Reuben. I
it.
forgot.
Oh my god, that looks amazing.
It looks really another buttermilk. Dig in. Lunchtime at Caroline's Cellar.
Finishing our day at Lakeview Winery. Wake up, Joe.
With no lake. No lake. It's a long story.
Cheers. We're at Trees Estates.
Happy birthday to you.
Breakfast on day 2 included fruit, yogurt, and a phyllo breakfast pizza.
Just got some birthday ice cream at Cow's. I can't wait to try. I got mango, peach, raspberry. Yes.
Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more travel content. And let me know if you've been anywhere in Niagara recently. I'd love to hear how it went.